Welcome to this detailed tutorial on decreasing the pagination number for tags in your WordPress site. In this video, you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress dashboard, access the necessary settings, and adjust the number of tag items that appear on your administration pages. This step-by-step guide is designed to be clear and user-friendly, ensuring that every listener can follow along with ease. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress site. When you reach the main page, locate the login option, which is typically found in the top right corner. This is where you will begin your journey into the administrative area of your website. Once you click on the login area, you will be taken to the login portal. After initiating the login process, you will notice an option to continue using your preferred online account. Choose the option that says continue with Google and then pick the appropriate account you wish to use. This ensures a quick and secure login experience, helping you get to your dashboard in no time. It is a convenient way to access your website while using your existing Google credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the post section of your WordPress admin area. Although the focus of this tutorial is on tags, beginning at the post page ensures that you are familiar with where major features reside in WordPress. Once you are on the post screen, you have a clearer overview of your content management options. With the post section in view, shift your attention to the tags portion. Tags help organize your content and make it easier for both your readers and search engines to navigate through your material. To adjust how tags are displayed, locate and click on the tags menu within your dashboard. This action will open up a list of all the tags currently associated with your post, setting the stage for further customization. Now that you are on the tags management page, focus your attention toward the top right corner where you will see the screen options control. By clicking on this option, you will reveal several settings that allow you to tailor your screen view. It is within these options that you will find the setting to adjust the number of items per page. Here you have the flexibility to decrease the number of tag items listed on each page, which can make your dashboard cleaner and faster to navigate. After reducing the number of items per page to your desired amount, finalize this change by clicking on the Apply button. This final step confirms your new setting and updates the pagination on the tags page immediately. The updated view will now reflect fewer tags per page, allowing you to manage your content more efficiently. This streamlined process not only improves the clarity of your tags management, but also enhances your overall WordPress experience. Enjoy the benefits of a more organized and responsive dashboard as you continue to work on your website. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and happy editing on your WordPress site.